Going in teacher and partner, cap for your blogs, Luis Alejandro Blanco Blanco. A good place to my friends. My friends are from university and the English course. I am not friendly with other people. I always try to make friends on my home place. I'm looking for the tips of friends. I would like to have friends with the same hobbies. Uh, I like friends uh, also what practicing sport. For me, uh, through friendship in the most important trend because who finds friends has a treasure. Sharing with my friend mm, when I stay at home a friend we like uh, mm, almost to play video games and to listen uh, raw in Spanish in English. Uh, Also, my friend and I like cooking seafood, fish, hamburger, rice, and chicken. Communities with friends, we like to play football, tennis, volleyball, basketball, and read bicycles. Mm, we also enjoy reading about person finances. Uh, we going to coffee in the place municipally in the Bogota, San Miguel. Thank you, teacher.